Voila. Okay. In the last video, we had finished with, wow, again, the camera problem. Not very happy. Not very happy that I bring out these videos and the quality I bring out. It's the quality, but anyways, let's just drag this down. When we went 147258369, I had left out that 1, 2, 3 is 654, the Federation. I have left out that 4, 5, and 6 is 6, 5, and 4, the Federation. I have left out that 7, 8, and 9 are 6, 5, and 4. Federation Reserve, Federation Reserve, Federation Reserve. Then on the next page, the crisscrossing of the 159 and the crisscrossing of the 357, in which 1 and 3 bring out 6 and 4, and where 1 and 3 bring out 6 and 4, where 1 and 3 bring out 9 and 7, where 1 and 3 bring out 3 and 1, altered current. In 1, 2, 3, that brings out 6, 5, 4, then it brings out 9, 8, 7, then it brings out 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is in 1, 2, 3. In 4, 5, and 6, we go 3, 2, 1. Then we go 6, 5, 4. And then we go 9, 8, 7. So they calculate all of them except in different realms, 7, 10, and 13, which is the basic. I'm not going to go over the totality right now. The same thing, 159 becomes 627, 777. This one also becomes 9, and 7 is 16, 9 minus 2. This becomes 7 and 2. Win big red. Inside 159, win the big red sun. This is diagonal. This is the greatest distance from the red sun. This one is 951 and 951, which brings them 10, which brings them 10, which brings them 10. And this one is 3 and 1 is 4, 8 and 5 is 13 is 4, 9 and 4, in which also you cannot remove, or can you remove the 9 and then remove again the 5? You would have to remove 15 from this. 9 take away 5 equals 4. So here you would have 4 and 5 equals to the birth of 5 and 4, the foxhole, or the passage inside the sun. 3 and 8 is the bringing of the church. 1 and 8 is the bringing of the angel residency. 7 and 5 is the egg, energy, creation. 4 and 2 brings the mind of the cat, 4 times 2, 4 plus 2, or 420, because when the queen comes in, there's 2 areas of 5, because it takes 5 and 5 to create the totality of 2 areas, in which you see that inside the cards. In the next video, we're going to show you, in fact, I should probably show you right here in this video, but we're going to leave this one at 3 minutes. I'm going to continue on to polish up the next video, which will be a multiple of the system 0, 1, 0, 11, 21, 31, 41 times 1, and then we'll bring it in 2 times 21, 31, 41, and etc. And then we'll go 0, 2, 1 times 0, 2, then 12, then 22. Then it'll be 3 times. There's about 5,000 numbers involved here, so I'm only going to pick and choose a few just to show you a few relationships. In fact, I'm going to add it to this video. Inside of this video that I will add is where 3 times 1, or let's bring it 41, because everything begins 41. Why does it begin at 41? 34, 43, 34. John F. Kennedy, Barack Obama right now brings you 93, the sky of Saturn, the creation of Christ, the creation of ABC, the ace, the church, the spirit in the church, and ABC, 1771, the Tea Party. And T has to do with the filtration system, probably the filtration of the mind. The difference in this is 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. In the second one, we're just bringing out numbers, 7 times 4, which creates the moon, which creates the high sky. 14 or 41 brings you ABC, and over here it brings you 98. The difference is 25, or 5 and 2, which is the secondary system, 5 times 2, 5 plus 2, or Jack in the Box. 7 times 24 hours a day, 168 hours a week. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 equals 6 and 8. The DC system, area space inside the sun, Zion, and Jesus. These are just basic numbers. They may not mean anything to you, but if you bring me the element system or weights and measures, we'll show you what they do in that system. And then so forth onto this, where 9, the birth system, once you enter into the realm of the 10 world, this becomes 216 hours and 9 days, or the schedule for the Mayan calendar of 240 hours and 10 days. It's right over here. 9 days plus 1 day, 9 days and 1 day. 3, 1, 3, 3. What we're going to show in this next is that when we come to this over here, it's going to be on the next page. I hope I did not miss it. Okay, this is what I wanted to show in this system. So when we came 9 times 6, okay, is 54. 9 times 6 is 54 and 90. 2. 9 times 2 is 180. 9 times 3 is 270. 9 times 4, boom, the first 360 degrees of 6. 9 times 6, 54. The sun, everything is inside the sun. A quarter sun, a half sun, a three-quarter sun, a whole sun. Right? When you put 1 inside 3, you become whole. This is 54, the sun. The difference is 90, and that is the birth sun. Now, when you go to the second level of 16, this 16 is 1 and 6 is 7. Now you have 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 16 is 144. The difference is 81. The difference is Venus. The angel resident A, H, and R. Ra. The ocean, the mother ocean, the mixture of the red and the yellow suns coming together to create the orange sun, or the orange sun broken up to make the red and the yellow sun, in which are filtered apart and back together, but spliced with something else. If we wanted to do 9 times 56, 450 is the foxhole. 9 times 6 is 54. This is 4554 or 2332. It's communication. Remember number 56, that it's always confusing. 2 times 28, 2 moon cycles, 28, 2 months, which creates half, because there are 6 moon cycles plus 1 moon cycle is 12. Now this is creation. 5 times 6, 30 creation. 5 and 6, 11 equals 41. Creation of the IT system, because 41 will create the numbers in the sun. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 4. And 14 and 15 is the creation of the numbers in pi. Inside of this, it will recreate 2. 9 times 2 is 18. Now I'm going to mark that down. Okay, we're going to go, this is 450 and 54 equals to 504. And this equals to 9 times 2 equals to 18. 18 from this. The other thing I wanted to make is 9 times 3 equals to 27. 18 minus 504. Okay, what happens over here is this is the sun number, this is the sun number, and it totals the sun number. Totals the sun number. 8 times 7 is 56, and that's the division of the two systems, the seventh gate from the two systems. What is 8? 8 is 4 in between the 4 corners, creating your 8, or 4 corners to 4 corners on the front side and the back side, creating your 8, or the top side to the bottom side. 5 and 6 is 11. 5 times 6 is 30. When you would go 9 times 30 inside the system is 270. The difference is 234, or the jail term. If you go 9 times 2, 5 and 6 is 11. Okay, now we're going to have to do that as 270. Did I get that right? 5 times 6 is 30. So we have 298. 298. 398. 498 is 206 is 626, which is the division T and T. Now, pending how that T and T works, if you put T upside down from T, it creates the I. And the I is the system from I am above as I am below, and it is the T letter that creates this. 18 from 504 or 564, the Federation. 564, take away 18 is 546. Stays the same. This is the plus. Remember, 9 times 2, 5 and 6, 11. 1 and 1 is 2. If this is 504, take away 18. This becomes 486, the 9 lives of the cat, 486. Or Mars inside the 9 lives of the cat. What does it mean? I'm not quite sure. I have to see more numbers because it means more than that. What I tell you in numbers is what it tells me in basic numbers. But what it brings in weights and measurements, what it brings in area space, according to the constellation or the zodiac, is up to whatever has been created out there, at the understanding through games people play. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. So now you see the difference between all of these, right? The difference between all of these. 9 times 16 is 90 and 54, 144. 1 and 6 is 7. 9 times 7 is 63. The difference is 81. 9 times 26 is 234. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 and 162 is 234. 81 and 81. 1 Venus, 2 Venus, 3 Venus, 4. And then it brings up, the minute you get to 4 Venus, now you got a system. 4 times Venus, 81. 4 times 81 is 324. 18 times 18 is 324. Chai Resh. They use that in Hebrew. Therefore, it is core and it is marked. It is a mark in the Hebrew religion, in the Hebrew numbers. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. I'll be drumming up some more numbers. Thank you for watching.